In this video, I am giving information about the cutest small mammal, red panda, and its morphological characteristics, habitat, facts, and threat it faces in the wild habitat. The red panda is a small arboreal, means that is predominantly stay in the trees. Um, Reddish brown, long tail, raccoon-like mammal, and the red panda can be easily identified by their unique ruddy coat, which acts like camouflage with a canopy of suga and fir trees, where branches are covered with clumps of the reddish brown mosses and white lichens. And they have a round head and short snout with weak pointed ears, and it has a dense reddish brown soft fur with black belly and legs, white lined ears, and mostly white muzzle and ringed long tail. Its hair to body length is 51 to 63.5 centimeter with a 28 to 48.5 centimeter tail, and its weight ranges between 3.2 kg to 15 kg, and it is well adapted to climbing due to flexible joints and curved semi-retractile claws. And the red panda is also known as the lesser panda, panda, red bear cat. Currently, the two recognized subspecies are found: the Himalayan and Chinese red panda. Genetically, they diverged about 250,000 years ago, and the red pandas place the evolutionary tree has been debated, but modern genetic evidence places it close to the affinity with raccoons, weasels, and skunks, and it is not closely related to the giant panda, which is a bear, though both possess elongated wrist bones and false thumbs used for grasping bamboos. The red panda inhabits temperate coniferous broadleaf and mixed coniferous forests, favoring steep slopes with a dense bamboo cover close to the water sources. And it is a solitary and largely arboreal animal, and it feeds mainly on bamboo shoots and leaves, and also on fruits and blossoms. Red panda mate in early spring with the females and giving birth up to the 4 cubs in summer. It has been listed as endangered on IUCN Red List since 2015, and the red panda inhabits Nepal, the states of the Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh in India, and Bhutan, southern Tibet, northern Myanmar, and China, Sikkim and Yunnan provinces. And it thrives best at 2200 meter to 4800 meter elevation in temperate mixed coniferous forests and broadleaf forests, with the dense understories of the bamboos, especially small bamboos. And the red panda is difficult to observe in the wild. The red panda appears to be both nocturnal and crepuscular. It rests or sleeps in trees or other elevated species, and during the day, rarely it may be seen on the trees branches, especially in broadleaf forest, but rarely seen. It is adapted for climbing and descends to the ground head first with hind feet holding on to the middle of the tree trunk, and it moves quickly on the ground by trotting. I came across this red panda species in Sikkim, North Sikkim, near Chatin area. It looks very curious and small, pretty mammal, and it looks very shy, very really anybody can see in the forest. The panda is largely, red panda is largely herbivorous and feed primarily on the bamboos, mainly the Zenra, Phyllostricus, Sina arundinaria, Thamnocalamus, and Chimnobambusa. However, the red panda is threatened by the habitat is threatened by forest fragmentation and destruction of habitat due to the large-scale deforestation and disturbances caused by the increasing human and livestock population in the surrounding adjoining forest areas. Poaching is also the major threat for the red panda, especially for skins and its fur of the high-valued bushy tails. And the red panda population in China has been decreased by 40% over the last 50 years. In Myanmar, the red panda is threatened by hunting or using guns and traps. In Nepal, 121 panda skins were confiscated between 2008 and 2018. Though some community-based conservation programs have been already initiated in Nepal, Bhutan, and northeastern India. In China, it benefits from the nature conservation projects. Thank you. Please like and subscribe this video.